If you're looking to optimize blog posts with real-time SEO feedback, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to get real-time insights that will help you boost your content's performance and get more traffic. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know how to take immediate action with tools that offer live SEO suggestions. First, it's all about using an SEO tool that gives you live feedback while you write. You could waste hours trying to figure out what's wrong with your blog post after it's published, but with real-time SEO feedback, you get suggestions as you write. This means you can fix issues on the spot, ensuring your blog posts are always optimized before hitting publish. One great tool for this is Surfer SEO. It integrates directly with your content editor, and it gives you detailed real-time feedback as you write. It'll suggest keyword density, optimal word count, backlinks, and even content structure, so you know exactly what to improve as you go. Another tool that I recommend is ClearScope. ClearScope pulls high-ranking pages for your target keywords and shows you how to improve your content based on what's working for others. As you write, it'll suggest related terms, which helps to naturally increase your keyword usage without keyword stuffing. Don't forget about Yoast SEO if you're using WordPress. It provides real-time SEO analysis directly within your post editor. It's a fantastic way to ensure you're hitting all the important SEO factors, like readability and keyword optimization. Plus, Yoast provides suggestions on improving your meta description and title tags for even better SEO. Now, what's important when using these tools? First, make sure you're integrating your keywords effectively but naturally. These tools will tell you if you're overusing or underusing certain terms, but you have to balance SEO with readability. If your content sounds robotic just for the sake of SEO, readers will bounce. So keep it natural, but don't ignore the feedback. Also, pay attention to your headlines and subheadings. Tools like Surfer SEO will give you real-time feedback on your heading structure, which directly impacts how search engines crawl your content. If your headings are poorly optimized, it could hurt your rankings. As you apply these real-time SEO suggestions, keep an eye on content length as well. SEO tools will guide you toward the ideal word count, so you're not writing too little or too much. If you're aiming for higher rankings, lengthier, more in-depth content often performs better, but don't fluff it just to hit a number. Quality should always come first. Here's a key takeaway. Optimizing your blog post with real-time SEO feedback helps you make adjustments as you go, ensuring that you're following SEO best practices and staying competitive. By using tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, or Yoast SEO, you'll be able to improve your content in real time, reducing errors and boosting your chances of ranking higher on Google. To recap, make sure to use a tool that gives live SEO feedback, integrate keywords naturally, keep your headings optimized, and don't forget to check content length. And if you want to follow along with the exact tool I recommend in this video, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below, only available for viewers of this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.